Recording on.
We got a 5-pack here. This is take one. We're gonna blow the shit out of a bucket.
You ready, buddy? It's taking a while. That's a girl. There you go.
You go. You go.
Oh! Damn! Damn, that there.
About 2 of them would have made it do it right.
That mushroom cloud.
What the hell happened to that?
It melted the end out of it. It took so long. We need to start putting 2.
Yeah,
Yeah, 2 cents.
Dave.